ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಪೋಯಿಟ್ರಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್, ಈ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ఆ పక్క ఇట్స్ ఇయర్స్ ఆచి ఒక 9-10 ఇయర్స్ అయిపోయి టైం ఏమైనా ఫ్లై అయిపోమంತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಆಚೆ ನಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂದ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಗಳ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಚಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದೋದಕ್ಕೆ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಉಳಿದ from the time now I shift to English. My Urdu is still very basic. One of the first lines I learned to say to Rashi was "Naan minne kaamba kaapa." Then I know bindige, I don't know what it means.